Okay,
I have 2 of these, but one.
Hit the like. Everybody, hit the like if you want to be better than all your friends. But if you don't want to be all better than your friends, subscribe and do both.
Okay, what are you doing?
I forgot.
I'm just playing a wrestling game. I'm 1,000 strength.
I forgot to show you guys the clue. It's I like dresses.
So you think it's going to be
A little sister.
not a pet?
I can't even get this off.
So where did we get this at?
Justice. Ow.
Go back here.
Jacko game on stop. Wait. This is hard. Yeah. Like seriously. Alright. That. Twist.
Do you guys know where my iPad is?
Is this it? Okay, Sid, tell us what you're doing.
I'm opening up a hair cord. Ow! This is hard. Like, this is supposed to be easy. Alright, let's pour. Alright, let's just whip the layer. I can't even whip the layer. It's just. Alright, there. There! I'm getting some.
Normally I'd like these for winter, but
And I got the I like dresses color. I think if we did it.
internet's not working either.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, babe.
Alright, let's see what's in here. So I gotta take.
Do you need scissors?
No, I'm gonna take this off. Come on, get off there. Hopefully I get a little sis. There, I got this off. I got this off.
Okay, what is
Now
that?
I'm gonna open it up. I got a Mia. Let's look for a Mia.
A mirror. That's cool. Is that for secret clues?
I don't know. It can either be a pet or a little sister. Whoa, I want to check the guide out. Whoa, we got Cat Cutie on here.
Hey guys, I want you to comment. Sydney's a noob, because she really is ultra clean bodies out. But she's like, oh my god, I'm gonna get an ultra down.
But wait.
By the way, like and subscribe to the video if you like my Sydney impression. I think it was good.
I really want that little sister right there. I have a big sister already.
Okay. Let's open it up. See what you got.
Let's see. Wait, should we open it?
Well, just can you open the doll first?
How about we just open this one?
Okay.
This bag? Whoa! Alright, I want to take out this one. This one's small. I wonder what's in here. Ooh! Whoa!
What
Is
does
this
that
just me or is it?
Glasses.
What's so crazy? Look. Like. Wait.
Guys,
What?
stop it. I mean, Unicorn Babe 5 is talking to somebody upstairs.
She's not.
Guys, that's my name. It's Mermaid Babe 2. That's
Almost
mine.
3, huh?
I'm not even sure if this is the little sister or pet or not.
Sydney, I've never seen you surprised
I've
before.
never seen this kind of bag
I have
even
never
on
seen
YouTube.
you surprised before. Do you think? Are you sure it's not ultra rare?
I'm pretty sure it's actually last you need.
Have you ever gotten an ultra rare besides?
Wait a minute.
What do you
This
think?
is a hand store.
How do you know?
I found it. Oh, it's so cute.
I thought it was gonna be a little sister. Okay, let's see it.
Here it is. I'm gonna see who it is.
So it's a hamster. Look at its hair.
Okay, let's see it. Who is it?
And he goes in the.
She color changes.
Wow.
And what's her name?
Here, let me see. Hammy tied.
She must love the leaves.
I need somebody to fix that rug in that room.
Swim club.
From the swim club.
That is so cute, Sydney.
Let's
So
get
she
her-
goes in the
Let's
ball.
get her in the bag. I don't even have a big sister. Whoa.
So what do you think's in the other one?
I don't know.
I thought with these glasses, it would definitely be a little sister.
It could either be. I thought it was. I thought it was definitely. Whenever I felt the
Can
bag.
I see the finished?
Here she is in the bag.
Wow.
See how she color changes? She color changes.
Wow.
And-
You don't have to get her wet?
she color changes.
How does she color change?
You put her in water.
Oh, you have to put her in water. Okay, wrap it up.
Look how cute she
Okay,
is.
let's wrap it up.
Alright, gives a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Bye.